Ah, shit. It's an AutoZone special right there. This shit's all loose anyway.
There's nothing in there?
No, there's nothing in there.
And then I'll wiggle it around. Look at that shit.
Nathan, did you shake it before you put it up there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, there's a leak in the oil pan. That's like a, dude, Hondas always be leaking at the oil pan. My shit was leaking from the oil pan. Ah, shit. PLM got a shop car. Here it is, boys. Okay. I mean, this is nice, man. For the most part. Let's pop the hood. See what kind of shit we got going on under here. This is what happens, man. This is what happens when you don't. Oh, shit. What do we got here?
What does it have? So it's got an LS swap, old school contact header, skunk tube radiator, HKS intake. I think that's pretty much it.
You got a hot air intake. That's cool. It's clean, honestly. Fucking engine mounts suck.
This is not ours.
It's an AutoZone special right there. I noticed that shit in the photos that the fenders were hella like they look like they're pulled.
No, it looks like you put like a hammer or like a bat.
Oh, really?
I don't know, dude. It's like
Baseball bat special? Hey, we should put some like a meaty fitment on this shit. Some 225s.
yeah, dude.
I don't think 225 fit.
I have 225.
They'll fit, dude.
On the 7s?
Yeah.
I've done it on a 6.5, dude.
Yeah, you can do it. Like a nice. It's gonna look.
I only
meaty.
found tires for 205s. I gotta look at tires for 225s.
225s. What's up with the random stuff in the deck?
Oh, that's the old ignition system. It's a push start.
Oh, it's a push start?
Yeah.
Okay, with a JDI push to start, yada yada yada. We got to put it on some wood, and then if we we got to put it on the thing.
Over a piece of like 2x4.
Yeah.
To elevate it.
Yeah.
Okay.
what
Yeah.
a media
So
guy
apparently, you need that piece. So don't do what I did.
Headliner? I know.
But yeah. So that's the
Visor.
back.
At least it still has carpet.
We're ripping that out though.
Huh?
We're ripping that out though.
Oh, it's just gonna be like we're gonna rip out the whole interior.
I don't know the whole interior.
So it's gonna be a straight tin can,
I guess.
tin can mode. Oh, what the fuck is missing the cover? Is that rust?
Yeah.
Got rusty cam gears.
Okay. We have another set back there.
Damn. I like that. It's all about proper shit box. So we got the eBay lip. That's got to go.
Yeah.
eBay grill's got to go. I'd rather have the OEM one over the eBay one. To be honest with you.
Find the OEM one. How much are those now?
Well, I mean, it doesn't have to be the SI one. It could just be like the regular one. You know what I mean? This thing looks fancy as fuck.
We're getting rid of that, right?
Look at that hot boy shit right there. Is this titanium? That's not titanium.
That's not titanium.
From fake pie cuts. eBay special. Stainless, maybe something.
Probably stainless.
Some bullshit. We got a dent right here. I don't even know how that came about.
Is that how the battery is?
The battery's back there.
So what the fuck is that supposed to be?
Right here? Right here usually goes a fucking airbox.
So maybe that's for the airbox?
No, that's just dented up. Yeah, proper shit box.
It's just one bolt missing.
What the fuck? Hey, how come this side is missing a side skirt? This side's missing a side skirt.
They're both missing. I had to take it off to fit it under.
Oh, okay. Why, you don't like these?
Apparently they're expensive.
The rain gutter special? Yeah, but it's one of those things that's expensive. What's up with this fucking, this muffler, man?
No, it's not ours.
Fucking fart can special?
That is what I don't get.
hot
Like,
boy
just
shit.
cut a giant square.
Well, I mean, I guess you have to if you're gonna run this shit.
Well, I mean, wouldn't you rather just take the system out?
No,
Oh, take all these plastics out?
Yeah, just take the plastic out.
This piece runs all the way right there.
Yeah, just take the whole thing off.
No speakers?
Not even any speakers in here.
Really?
It's all loose anyway.
Nothing in there?
No, there's nothing in there.
Alright, let's start it and then put on some planks.
Oh yeah, the fucking deleted the what's it called?
Just don't drive in the rain. I gotta sit close because my short. Oh yeah, there's no power steering. Ah! No power steering, man. Oh man, this sucks. Oh! Can I heel toe? Ooh! It revs happily. I don't know, my lord. The road. Ow, 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 ow. That's a big bottle. Oh. Can rev match really easily. Whoa! Hey, this is pretty sick. Can I start in second? I can start in second. Cool. I actually expected this car to shut off. Oh, God. Dude, no power steering is pretty cool, actually. Like, you could really feel what the wheels are doing. If your car's so light, you don't need power steering. Ugh. Whoa! It just pulled to the right.
Nice and vibrating. Ooh, shit. The alignment is terrible. So the steering wheel is hard as hell to turn, but it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, to be honest with you. Alignment, I don't know if the alignment's off or I'm just not used to driving like this. Ooh. A little bit of wheel spin. You can definitely smell, you can tell this thing doesn't have a cat. I don't know if my door's locked or not. I probably shouldn't have been playing with this thing. Ooh, shit. Hella torque steer. It's torquey. It's a torquey boy. Oh shit. Oh shit, I went to the wrong road. Oh shit. Uh-oh, what the fuck is that? All right, Johnson, first impressions. This thing is pretty damn torquey. Got a lot of torque steer. Bouncy as hell, rattly. Of course, it's a Honda. Whoop, just grinded that. My bad. Fucking 90s shit box. And I love it.
Oh, not bad. It moves. For LS gears, it's not bad. Doesn't ride too bad either. Could use new coilovers though. I don't know. The clutch bites instantly, and my gas is super responsive. So it's kind of annoying to drive. Like when I leave from a stop, but it's not terrible. The car drives. The handle's pretty nice too. The ride is very floaty though. I'm like bouncing on the road. Spins first. Oh my god. That was actually surprisingly quick for LS. Not bad. This car's not bad. It needs a little bit of work, but it's there. I see the potential in it. Oh man, yeah, the shifter sucks.
What? What? We have another one?
New car part 2.
Oh, we're gonna have to.
Bam, son. New car. PLM shop car part 2, y'all. What we're doing with this, I have no idea, but we're gonna do something cool.
When did you pick this up?
Huh? Just right now? Hell yeah. Wait, the engine already blew on this?
Yeah, Subaru, man.
Damn!
What?
Damn!
Already?
Frank with the shade!
Come on. Hot, sicker than your average.
Already?
Is the TN suspension underneath? Yeah. Is it? Yeah. Oh wow.
To be safe,
Oh yeah, to put the thing on there.
A Pexi muffler. Nice and rusty. No, I mean, it's a rubber hanger, that's why. This is where a lot of like that slop comes from, right here. Yeah, so essentially this right here is where you get a lot of like that sloppy play when you're in gear. So once we put like the roll pin adapter on it, it's gonna be like nice and tight.
The header looks nice.
The header looks like he just put the shit on.
I know, it looks like he bought it and then sold the car right after.
Probably, huh? Like he bought it, slapped that.
it's a little bit tinted.
I think it's like brand. This thing is brand new.
All they did was cut the bracket off.
This is hella. This is hella narrow compared to like the Falcon.
It's got dents and everything here too.
Oh, there's a leak in the oil pan. That's like dude, Hondas always be leaking at the oil pan. My shit was leaking from the oil pan.
Where's the leak?
Like that.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, you see all that seeping around there?
Right here, this is considered leak.
Yeah.
It's not. It's supposed to be like this.
Why is it?
Well, very slowly. It needs a new open gasket.
Oh. Oh God! What the hell?
Oh yeah, it is catless. Yeah, I just noticed that. Yeah, it is catless.
How did it pass smog? He gave me a smog here.
He probably hot smogged that
Hot
thing.
smogged it.
Yeah. Honda things. Oh, this is all smashed up too.
All smashed
Yeah.
up.
I like how they did the back, but they didn't do the front, because then this is like what everybody sees in the back of the car.
And the front is just stock.
Some proper, yeah, the proper hot boy shit right there. Yeah, compliance.
Notice this doesn't have sway bars, so if you take it to the track, it's gonna be.
Yeah, it's gonna have a whole lot of body roll.
Oh, what happened there?
Where? Talking about this rust?
Yeah, like it's.
Oh, it's all
That
wrenched
doesn't even
up.
look like that's the right one, cause look, there's a.
I know, right? They probably, yeah. Look, right here used to be the hanger.
So they just cut it up and then try to make it fit.
Maybe, I don't know.
We have our own cat back, right?
Yeah, we have mufflers. So we have mufflers. We have a piping kit.
Yeah.
That we can run, but it's not gonna have a resonator though.
That's fine.
We have a high flow cat, obviously the header. We pretty much have like a whole exhaust system that we could piece together.
Yeah.
We could even like fucking take our V-band flanges and assemblies and then just weld them to the piping kit. Yeah. If you want to be hella fancy with it.
Not the sway bar. This one doesn't have.
Yeah.
The sway bar goes here.
Cool.
It has a front sway bar, no?
But
Does
these
it?
control arms are very flooded on the marketplace. You get a set for 80.
Well, we got that too, so we can slap that shit on. But I don't think it'll work with the. We need control arms though.
Any new control arms?
Yeah, if we're gonna run the front sway bar.
Can we just? Oh, we can't, huh? Never mind.
Because I think the linkage will go in the back, and it would like usually like an aftermarket control arm is gonna have like
For now, I'm gonna send the engine.
threads like right here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look at that TN suspension.
Look at these like random connectors right here that connect to nothing.
What? No, I thought they connected to. Oh.
Some loose connectors. Hell yeah, boy.
As they know is.
I know. And look at the engine, the oil filter is. I didn't realize how like
What the hell?
so much shit in front of it. Like what the fuck?
Yeah. Right there.
Yeah. That's hella annoying.
Can you imagine doing an oil change? Just drip oil everywhere.
Yeah, I know.
Does he have the title to his car?
Wow.
Yeah, we don't need the title, but
Very cool.
make sure that we're not.
Is don't have enough snacks over there?
No, we do.
Not as much.
Easy. An whole car apart. Look at that. Hey, smell it.
Until we throw away, can we use a dump?